Hey Caesar, you gotta check out your cousin Ellie's naked photos. What are you doing? Oh yeah, oh yeah, this is the spot. Oh, that's the spot, man. Yeah. Caesar? You do know I'm here, right? Yeah, so? Why, what's the problem? Well, anyway, like I was saying, I was telling you that you should check out your cousin Ellie's. Where is it coming from? Hey, I got an idea. Let's look. In order for us to get the sound out of our heads, we gotta do this. Alright, you ready? Cause I am. Oh, dude. You have to do that. Already got you covered. Oh, dude, I don't wanna go out Breaking Bad style. Like Walter White. I'm over it. Well, hey, at least I don't hear that stupid Nyan Cat sound. Huh, I guess all that needed to be stopped was a sacrifice. Good enough for me. Sorry, Coco. Had to be done. Time to look at my sister's naked photos. La la la.